Hey YouTube, it's Blake at 850 Fab. Just got a bunch of upgrades done to my OpenBuilds WorkBee, and I just want to show it to you. Check it out. All right, so to start out with, I upgraded the Z-axis to the TBD Super Grade. It is a linear motion, and it runs on a I think that's a 20 by 80 extrusion. Then I bought some of the eBay high wind rails. It's the MGN 12s, and flipped the original C-beam forward, and then as you can see I flipped the plates. Basically I just turned the plates and swapped sides. So I've still got the V wheels on the Y-axis. Linears will come for that eventually, but this is my Z-axis mount that I designed, and I'm still using lead screws and just some spacers. Then I also have some stainless plate or stainless sheet metal that I bent and fit into place. And then on the back side, since I no longer could use this, since it's originally on the back side, I used this and some nut blocks to tighten it to the C-beam to give it even more structure. So here's some test videos, and I think y'all will enjoy what I've done. Hey, thanks for watching. Y'all hit that subscribe button right below, and that way I can keep on making videos and upgrading and show y'all what a router can do. See you next time.